Welcome to tutorial number 27 about the draft tool. So let's start making some sketch. And extrude it. So now we have this block and I'm going to apply the draft tool on it. So we have the draft tool here, so let's activate it. And here we have the natural plane. It means the plane is going to stay constant with no change, and here the faces which are going to be drafted out of that plane. So now let's choose this plane as a natural plane, and as the drafted plane we choose this one. Let's change the angle to 20 degrees. So apply. So now we see that face has been drafted. So now we can change 45 degree, apply. Can edit one more time. 45. Apply, and we see the drafted plane here. So now let's try to write it one more time. Draft natural plane, this plane, and drafted face to be this face, and this time make it 30 degree, apply. So now we see that those faces have been drafted 30 degrees from the natural plane. So now I can close this tutorial and see you in the next tutorial.